As the next part of this chapter, we are going to learn about a software known as Stellarium. It's a software mainly related to stars and sky. To open the software, click on Application, Education, then Stellarium. This is a software window. So here you can see the various tools here. If you place your mouse at the left side down corner and if you click on this L-shaped button here, you can fix the tools here. So here the first tool is location, the second one date and time, third one sky and viewing options, search, configuration, astronomical calculations, help. Then in the bottom you can see constellation lines, constellation labels, constellation art, equatorial grids, azimuthal grids, then ground, cardinal points, atmosphere, deep sky objects, planet labels, switch between equatorial and azimuthal mounts, center on selection objects, night mode, full screen mode, show exoplanets, toggle meteor showers, show search dialogues, Ookla view, satellite hints, decrease time speed, set normal time rate, then set time to now, increase time speed, and the last one to quit from the software window. So here first we will find the location window here. So first we have to click on this first button here. Then we will search and find out Tirunelveli. As it's a capital of our state, find out Tirunelveli. So here before India we can type Tirunelveli, comma India. So Tirunelveli is here and click there. So now we can see the sky of Tirunelveli. So here you can see Earth, Tirunelveli 18M. And you can see the time also here, time, date and all those things here. Then this is early morning 5:24. The sun is just rising out. We can see the various stars in our sky. So here if you want to set the date or time, we can use this option, date and time option. So if you want to go to 2 o'clock, we can set here 3, 2, like that we can set. Or if you want to a daytime, we can set here 6, like that we can set. So you can see the sun has risen and the sky is now covered with light so that we are not able to see the stars. So this is how we can set the date. Or if you want to change the date also, we can change. You can go to 24. You can see a light movement in the sky. 22, like that we can change the date also. So now I set it to 24. Then the next sky and viewing option window. So click on this button here. So here we can have the various sub options are here. Sky is there, DSO is there, markings is there. Click on the equatorial grids here. So we can see the lines of the equatorial grids here. The next one, elliptic grids. You can see another set of lines. Then azimuthal grids we will take. Then equatorial we will take. So like that we can give the various grid options here in the celestial sphere. So I am removing the marks here, that the whole thing will be removed. Search window. We will search and find out Uranus. So here you can see Uranus here. So here we can see constellation lines here. To click on the constellation lines, we can see various lines appearing in the window. And then we click on constellation labels. Then constellation art. So you can see the various shapes that are formed using the star groups or star lines we can see here. Next comes equatorial grids. Next is azimuthal grids. Then we will see the ground, So the ground is now removed and you can see only the sky. So if you again click on the ground will be active and you can see a little portion of the ground here. Then cardinal lines are there. Then deep sky objects. There you can see the various deep sky objects are being labeled. Then switch between equatorial and azimuthal mounts. That's what we see here. Then comes show exoplanets. Certain things are now labeled here. You can see small blue color ones here. Then toggle meteor showers. That's what here. See this here. To take the screenshot, we can click on the print screen button in the keyboard to take the screenshot of the image. And it will be saved to home, and inside it, in the pictures, you can see the screenshot what we have taken. Then we are getting back to the window. Those are the various things what we can see here. Then to log out of this window, we have to click on this last button here, quit.